Looking to upgrade your Jeep's audio system without hassle? The right wiring harness can make all the difference, ensuring a secure connection between your vehicle's terminals and your new gear. With OEM quality terminals, you get a reliable fit that keeps your sound system running smoothly, no loose connections, no static interference. Take it from a seasoned automotive audio installer who knows the value of having the correct parts on hand. When swapping out a factory head unit for a budget Kenwood in a 98 Jeep ZJ with a premium Infinity system, the biggest challenge was identifying the correct wire for the amp's remote turn-on. It wasn't a perfect match at first, but with some trial and error and a quick search online, the problem was solved. What really stands out is how quickly the necessary harness for a Jeep Liberty with a factory amp arrived when it was needed most. Fast shipping meant the job didn't stall, and the customer was thrilled with the seamless installation. That's the kind of reliability you want when upgrading your car's audio, getting the right parts delivered on time. When you choose a wiring harness with OEM quality terminals, you're not just buying parts, you're investing in peace of mind. The secure connections prevent signal loss and protect your system from damage, giving you consistent, high-quality sound every time you turn on your ride. If you're upgrading your Jeep's audio system, don't settle for generic parts that might cause headaches down the road. A harness designed to fit your specific model ensures compatibility and saves you time and frustration during installation. Plus, the sturdy build means your investment lasts longer. Worth a look if you want to keep your audio upgrade straightforward and reliable. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, having the right harness on hand can be a game changer for your project's success. Try it when you're ready to make your Jeep's sound system truly shine. With OEM quality terminals and a perfect fit, your upgrade will deliver the crisp, powerful audio experience you expect, without the usual guesswork or delays. Secure your connection, enjoy flawless sound, and get back on the road faster. Choose a wiring harness that's built to meet your Jeep's needs and keep your audio system performing at its best.